you.
Welcome. Yes,
Some. Bukan kitab.
Duta se. Kita लिखा से what?
Yet, Pocket Oxford English Dictionary, South Asia Edition, the world's most trusted dictionary. Contents: Preface, a short history of Oxford dictionaries. Guide to the use of the dictionary. Preface: the Pocket Oxford English Dictionary provides up-to-date and accessible information on the core vocabulary of today's English. It focuses on clear explanation of meaning and gives help with aspects of words which often cause difficulty, especially spelling, pronunciation, grammar, and uses. The Pocket is based on the latest research from Oxford Dictionaries. We run the largest language research program in the world, which constantly monitors English of all types. Our primary source for new and revised material is the Oxford English Corpus, a dynamic database of more than 2 billion words which we can analyze to get a detailed picture of 21st century English from around the world. ভাল লাগিলে Thank you so much.
Welcome.
তুমি ডাঙৰ হলে এখন পঢ়িব লাগিব মই শিকাই দিম তুমি পঢ়িবা দেই P-O-C-K-E-T Pocket O-X-F-O-R-D Oxford E-N-G-L-I-S-H English D-I-C-T-I-O-N-A-R-Y Dictionary S-O-U-T-H South A-S-I-A Asia E-D-I-T-I-O-N Edition T-H-W-O-R-L-D apostrophe S World Most T-R-U-S-T-D Trusted D-I-C-T-I-O-N-A-R-I-E-S Dictionaries